The tantalizing scent and robust taste of barbecue cuisine conjure memories of joyous gatherings, replete with laughter and unity. Invariably, these bountiful barbecue feasts result in a surplus of leftovers, posing the inevitable question: how long can barbecue remain unspoiled in the refrigerator? This query isn't merely a matter of gastronomy but a crucial health consideration. The nature of barbecue food. Barbecue foods are renowned for their unique flavors and textures, born from the intricate alchemy of the grilling process. However, this delicious transformation renders the food sensitive to spoilage when improperly stored. As such, understanding the perishability of barbecue food is vital to ensuring both its taste and safety. General guidelines for food storage. As a preliminary guideline, perishable foods such as barbecue can be safely consumed for up to 3 to 4 days if refrigerated promptly and stored at temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. Nonetheless, this general rule is subject to variation, influenced by a constellation of factors. Key factors affecting the shelf life of barbecue food. Temperature. Temperature regulation within a refrigerator significantly impacts the preservation of barbecue. Consistent temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit are essential to inhibit bacterial proliferation, hence extending the BBQ's shelf life. Humidity. The role of humidity often goes unnoticed but is a salient aspect of food storage. High moisture levels within a refrigerator can create a fertile breeding ground for bacteria, hastening spoilage. Consequently, ensuring low humidity levels is critical for maintaining barbecue freshness. Ingredients. The constituent ingredients of barbecue also play a pivotal role in its shelf life. Meat-based barbecue, owing to its protein content, might spoil at a swifter rate compared to its vegetable-centric counterparts. Signs of spoilage in barbecue food. Visual indicators. Visual inspection offers the first line of defense against consuming spoiled barbecue. Any manifestation of mold or color abnormalities should signal alarm bells, indicating spoilage. Olfactory indicators. A keen sense of smell serves as a reliable spoilage detector. Should the barbecue emit a rancid or peculiar odor, it's an unequivocal sign that it is no longer palatable. Texture indicators. Texture provides another vital clue to barbecue spoilage. Any abnormal sliminess or gritty sensation indicates the food's degradation and its unsuitability for consumption. Proper storage of barbecue food in the fridge. Immediate cooling. Swift refrigeration of barbecue leftovers within 2 hours of cooking impedes bacterial multiplication, thereby maximizing the food's freshness and safety. Utilization of airtight containers. Employing airtight containers for barbecue storage aids in maintaining its freshness by preventing exposure to ambient air and potential contaminants. Correct fridge placement. Strategic positioning of the barbecue within the refrigerator away from raw food items can prevent potential cross-contamination, thus preserving its quality. The impact of reheating barbecue food on its lifespan. Repeated heating can undermine the quality and safety of barbecue, potentially accelerating spoilage and increasing health risks. It's advisable to reheat only the quantity you intend to consume immediately. Freezing barbecue food, a longer-lasting alternative. For barbecue longevity beyond a week, freezing emerges as a feasible alternative. However, bear in mind that while freezing may extend the BBQ's lifespan, it may simultaneously compromise its texture and flavor. Safety first, when to dispose of leftover barbecue. In case of uncertainty about the BBQ's freshness, remember the wisdom in the saying, when in doubt, throw it out. Consuming spoiled food carries the risk of foodborne illnesses, which can be severe. Related content: how to clean stainless steel barbecue exterior. Conclusion: while barbecue leftovers can furnish a series of delightful meals, their proper storage is paramount. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your barbecue remains both delicious and safe to eat, all while reducing wastage. After all, in matters of food storage and consumption, safety should never be relegated to the back burner.